Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account in just a couple of clicks. The first thing that you want to do, you want to launch the Snapchat app and then you want to go to your profile. When you're at your profile, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right corner where you see the gear icon. You want to click on it. When you're at your settings, guys, all you want to do, you want to scroll to the bottom of the page at the section that is called Account Actions, okay? Here you can simply click the second to the last function, which is Delete Account. When you click Delete Account, Snapchat will ask you again to log in, to input your username and your password, and then you will have an option to delete your Snapchat account. Very important is that Snapchat is sending you a notification that you cannot delete your account or schedule your account for deletion and get your data at the same time. If you want to get your data, you need to request your data ahead of time before you click delete your account. So your account cannot be scheduled for deletion and then Snapchat to process your data. This is something that you want to keep in mind, guys. For more tips like this, subscribe and like this video.